Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to see how we can use the group feature in Tableau. So suppose I want to see what is the discounting for each subcategory. So I drag the subcategory into the columns and then I will take discount to rows. So this way I will get a bar plot. Now I will sort this in the descending order. So I get this. But you see, there is a lot of information, and I think that only the top 5 or top 10 of these makes some sense. And I want to group the last one, like envelopes, fasteners, suppliers, copiers. So what I'll do is I'll create a group based on subcategory. So I will right click on subcategory. I will select create, then I will select group, and I get a window of grouping these subcategories. Now I will select all the subcategories that I want to group together. Say for example envelopes. So I will select envelopes. Then for the next one I will press Control and then I will select fasteners. Then I will select supplies. Then I will select copiers. Now I will simply click on group. So this will group all these subcategories into one subcategory, and then I can rename it as miscellaneous. Okay. And now simply I'll just close this and then I will remove the subcategory from columns and then I will select subcategory group to columns, the one that we just created. And now we get a bar plot which I will sort in descending order, and now you see that the grouped subcategory that we created as miscellaneous is one particular subcategory, and this looks more cleaner, more insightful. So this is how we use group in Tableau, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.